Hey guys, what's going on YouTube? This is Rick with Green Dynamics Lawn Care, and in this video, I'm going to give you guys my 5 reasons why I like to use Yardbook and some cons about the software. So stay tuned right after this. So the reason I got you guys here today is because I want to talk about five things about why I love to use Yardbook and how it keeps my business in order. And we're also going to be talking about a couple of cons about the software as well. But hey, before we get started, make sure you guys rock that bell and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys have any questions after the video, make sure you leave a comment below. So, hey, number five on the list is going to be expense tracking. Now, who's ever been in the truck and you got those pile of papers just stacking up in your center console, all those receipts and bills and all that good stuff that you got, and it's been sitting there forever? Well, both of my hands up, that's me, I'm guilty. But guess what? Yardbook can fix all that for you. One thing I like about Yardbook is that when it comes to expense tracking, I can track my stuff, I can upload it, take a picture, upload it to my expense list for that particular day. And that helps me for when I get ready to go and take my expenses to the accountant, let them run the numbers and everything. It's already done. So now you're not taking a whole mess of paper to the accountant, to your CPA, and leaving them all the mess to just kind of, organize it and look through it. So that's one of the reasons I like Yardbook. It keeps me in order, and that takes a lot off my shoulders by keeping everything organized. And so that's about it. Another thing I like about the expense tracking is that you can print the reports, and that's why I like to print that report along with everything's been uploaded, everything's been properly documented, all your pictures of your receipts in there, of everything that you've accounted for. So one thing I do that'll help you out, don't sit on your receipts. What you want to do is, as soon as you finish with a property, any receipts dealing with that property, go ahead and take a snapshot with your smartphone and hop on Yardbook real fast before you leave the property and upload it. Add it to your expense report, so that way you have it and you know you're not missing anything. So number 4 is going to be property information. And what I mean by that is your customer's property. Whoever go around, you got your clipboard out and you got all these numbers, and you mess around and lose that sheet when it's time to go back to the property and handle business. That's been me. I don't want to. Who wants to be that guy to go back a second or third time to take measurements again because you lost a piece of paper? Well, what I do now, I do it 2 ways. I still make that hard copy, but I also take the time to sit in the truck and upload my measurements of my flower beds or the property area as far as the turf. This in case I have to lay down materials. I also leave little notes in there like, what was the material cost of the product that I need to lay down in this particular customer's property. So that stuff will help you out in the long run big time. One thing I do is when I do my flower beds, I get the measurements, I put them in, and I identify my flower beds like front flower bed, the left side flower bed, the right side flower bed. Simple things like that is going to really help you keep organized. So anytime you're dealing with a customer, you got all the information right there at your fingertips while you're there on the site, if you forget anything. So that's going to help you out big time. Number 3, the Yardbook, it allows me to be mobile. I don't have to be in the house just to take care of things on for my company. I got it on my smartphone, I got it on my iPad, I got it on my desktop, the whole 9. So I love the fact that you can take this platform and just expand, and now you can optimize its capabilities, as well as if say you build your company up to the point where you have a couple of teams, maybe one team out there, and you're on another team. Guess what? They can go ahead and log in and see see the properties that's assigned to them, and they can use the software too. They can use Yardbook to manage their tasks for today. Number 2, customer profile organization. You can actually put your customers' information in there, their property address, all that good stuff, instead of trying to keep everything written down on a piece of paper. That's helped me a lot. I don't know about you guys, I'm just a simple guy that likes simple things that will help keep my business in order and make it more profitable over time. Who doesn't want to grow their company and keep it in order? You got to have some type of organization for your company as you grow. Otherwise, things going to get out of hand. All right. Number 1, cards on file, guys. This is a big deal. This is a big deal. Who can honestly stand here right now and say they never had to track down a customer to get paid? I'll wait. Adding a card on file allows you to have that peace of mind of collecting the funds that's owed to you at the end of the month. And so the way we do it, you know, we charge at the end of the month. Once everything's done, whether a customer is weekly or when our 7 days or 14 days, every 14 days, you know, we go out and mow a yard, or every 7 days we go out and mow a yard. But at the end of that particular customer cycle, that's when they get billed. And so far we haven't had any issues with any of our clients. A couple of cons I want to talk about is Yardbook has some awesome additional features on it, and one of my favorite is the bulk message feature that it offers. But this is a con for me because it's only available on the premium account, so you have to actually pay for it. One thing about Yardbook, and I can't complain that to use most of its features, is free. Who doesn't like free? All right. Who doesn't like free? But yeah, guys, so the bulk message, if you do want to use some of the additional features, you have to pay and get a premium account. Hey, they got to make money too. That's how they sell you. My next con is waiting on your payment. So Yardbook uses Stripe as to process all payments. And one thing I kind of dislike about the Stripe system is that it can take up to 7 days before you can get paid. Now, this is not necessarily a bad service, but for a small company like mine's that's trying to get started, that cash flow is really needed. You need that cash flow to kind of build up to a certain point. Once you get your company growth up to a certain point, it won't matter as much. Those 7 days won't even matter. As the way that cash flow is coming in, 7 days, 14 days. Larger companies, hey, that's good. They can sustain themselves. But small companies like me, I need that income, that cash flow to continue to grow and get it where I need to be. My question for you today is, which software platform are you guys using to run your company? Are you using Square, Java, Yardbook, or anything else that's out there I might not know about? Like I said, Yardbook is the one I use, the one I prefer for my company at this time, because it's really beneficial for what we do. But hey, guys, I appreciate you guys being on here with me. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed.